In this video, we'll crochet a simple and practical coaster. Start with a magic ring. Three chain stitches. Next, work 19 double crochets. Note, count the 3 chain stitches as your first double crochet. Crochet 1 round. Check the stitch count to avoid mistakes. Pull the loop tight. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Round 2. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Change yarn. Three chain stitches. Work 1 double crochet in the second stitch. Pay attention to the stitch placement. Hide the yarn ends. Here, count the 2 chain stitches as 1 double crochet. Next, work 2 chain stitches. Double crochet. Hide the yarn. Double crochet. Note the change in stitch placement. 2 chain stitches. Second group completed. 2 double crochets form 1 group. Work a total of 10 groups. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Round 2 completed. Round 3. Pay attention to the stitch placement. Change yarn. 3 chain stitches. One double crochet. Here, count the 3 chain stitches as 1 double crochet. 2 chain stitches. 2 double crochets. First group completed. Second group. Pay attention to the stitch placement. 2 double crochets. 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, second group completed. Work a total of 10 groups. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Round 4. Pay attention to the stitch placement. 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker at the single crochet. Pay attention to the stitch placement. 8 double crochets. First group completed. Second group. 1 single crochet. 8 double crochets. Pay attention to the stitch placement. Work a total of 10 groups. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Hide the yarn ends. Did you get it? Don't forget to follow and share your thoughts in the comments. Share your crochet creations.